Hello everyone, my name is Fatiha binti Muhammad Arif. My ID is 2023873894. Today, I will present my reflective assignment based on my own experience related to organizational behavior. I will explain how OB topics such as attitude, personality, values, motivation, job satisfaction, stress, and emotion relate to my working life. In this slide, I will explain what is organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is the study how people behave in an organization. It helps us understand attitude, motivation, emotion, and how employees interact. OB is important because it helps improve performance, teamwork, communication, and job satisfaction. To support my reflection, I refer to an article by Popovici, Babu and Mihai. Their study explained that organizational behavior examine how individual and group function in the workplace, especially in areas such as communication, motivation, decision making, and teamwork. The article also shows that stress and perception strongly influence how employees behave. So this aligns with my personal experience where stress and different perception affect communication and teamwork with my colleague. Moving on to attitude and job satisfaction. Personally, I maintain a mostly positive attitude at work. I'm fortunate to have a supportive boss and a friendly coworkers, which makes a big difference. I enjoy learning a new skill and interacting with customers. However, there are moments of dissatisfaction like performing a repetitive task or facing stress from assignment. Despite these challenges, I strive to remain disciplined and professional. I've learned that job satisfaction is influenced by workload, emotion, and the overall work environment. Now let's talk about personality and values. Regarding my personality, I consider myself an ambivert. I'm friendly and open with family people, but a bit quiet around new people. I'm also organized, disciplined, and responsible. I think logically, but sometimes I also a bit sensitive. I can get stressed easily, but I will make sure to complete my task very well. So there is a big five my own personality. The first one is I'm organized, disciplined, and reliable. So for the second, I'm social in my comfort zone, but reserved with stranger. The third one is I'm cooperative, polite, and avoid conflict. Sometimes I also can get emotional and easily stressed, but I can manage it very well. In terms of value, I prioritize respect, honesty, harmony, and also kindness. I prefer to avoid conflict and believe in doing work properly and neatly. This value guide how I interact with colleagues and handle my responsibility. In this slide, I will explain about perception and decision making. So my decision making at work depends heavily on the situation. I try to assess information logically and avoid making assumption. When dealing with customer or co-workers, I rely on clear communication to prevent misunderstanding. Past experience, including conflict with a coworker who often blame others, have shaped my perception of workplace behavior. This taught me to value fairness, responsibility, and accurate judgment before making judgment. In this slide, I will explain what is motivate me every single day. My motivation at work is influenced by both intrinsic and extrinsic factor. For example, financial stability, My salary and learning opportunities motivate me to perform very well. Working with supportive management and gaining new communication skill also increase my engagement. However, motivation may fluctuate when tasks become repetitive or when I experience academic pressure outside of work. Still, the desire to improve myself and maintain good work quality keeps me motivated overall. This picture show me working at my job. I included it to show how organizational behavior relate to my real work experience. Every single day, I communicate with different customers and co-workers, and I face different situations that require patience, understanding, and good attitude. So this image also show how my personality and value appear at my work. I try to be organized, responsible, and respectful in everything I do. Even when I feel stressed or tired, I still try to do my tasks properly and treat people politely. This helped me understand how personality and behavior are connected. So overall, this picture represents how obituary happen in real life. Through my job, I learned about teamwork, stress, communication, and motivation. Looking at this image helped me see how OB helps me improve myself and become a better person at my work or everything that I do. In conclusion, studying OB has helped me understand my behavior, personality, and emotion. Theories in OB match my real workplace experience, helping me improve my communication and attitude, also stress management. Overall, OB support both my personal and professional growth.